I'm Scott Thompson, and here are your top stories on a Wednesday from 2 Works for You. In just hours, Hurricane Michael is set to make landfall in the Florida Panhandle. Overnight, that storm intensified into a Category 4 storm with winds of 130 miles an hour. The area will continue to see waves of rain and high wind until the center approaches land later today. It's been an active week of severe weather here in Oklahoma as well. Governor Fallin has declared a state of emergency for every county in the state, 77 of them. It comes as people clean up from destructive tornadoes, straight-line winds, and rain yesterday. This morning, police are looking for clues after someone called a bomb threat into the CVS pharmacy in Claremore. Officers telling us they evacuated the building after an employee got that call last night. The all clear was given soon afterward after no device was found. Let's get a check of today's forecast from meteorologist Kirsten Lang.
Good morning. Well, as we take a look outside today, we're going to be seeing clearing skies. The clouds we have this morning move out to the east, and then that sunshine will stick with us throughout the afternoon with a northwest wind coming in at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now we are seeing cooler air that's moving in back behind that front that brought us some severe weather yesterday. So temperatures today will be below average and, of course, cooler than it has been. We'll look for those highs in the low to mid 60s across green country. And then tonight with clear skies, we're going to actually be dropping down into the 40s. So it's going to be a cool start for you on Thursday morning. Look for some low 40s to the north. Wouldn't be surprised even if we saw a couple of upper 30s in spots. And then from Tulsa down south, we're looking for more mid 40 range there, about 45 in Stigler-Poto, again 43 for the overnight low here in the Tulsa area. Hour by hour today, though, those temperatures stay in the 50s until around lunchtime. At that point, then we'll be warming up into the low to mid 60s. So again, look for a high of 64. Quiet day, definitely compared to what we had yesterday. Tomorrow, still the sunshine continuing to stick around, but then that chance for rain will increase a bit as we head towards the weekend. And we're going to be looking for rain possible on Saturday, Sunday. It's going to be a cool rain with highs in the 50s and 60s and lows in the 40s.